In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can set voice messages to view once on WhatsApp. You can simply set voice note to be played once when sent to someone on WhatsApp. To do this, simply open up your WhatsApp. Tap on the voice recorder right here to record yourself. Then, before sending your voice message, you will have to tap on this View Once button right here. Then go ahead and send your voice message. To the receiver, they only have one time to hear your voice recording. It also can't be shared or forwarded to someone else. That's how easy it is to set voice messages to view once. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.